All right, so my wife has been experiencing some thumping noise under her 2019 Tahoe. It's happens occasionally during bumps, maybe a little bit during turning. At first, I was hoping we'd get away with just changing out these sway bar bushings down here. Replaced those several times. Don't get the Duralast ones from AutoZone, they'll crumble and break. After realizing it wasn't the sway bar bushings, started looking more at the end links a little more and realized that they are missing a bushing right here. Should be a bushing underneath here, just like on the bottom down here and up top. It's like that on both sides, and that's actually where the issue is. You can kind of see it here. It's a little too loose. That's causing that thumping noise that we keep hearing. So went to O'Reilly's, got two of these. We're going to replace those. This set requires 15 millimeter and 17 millimeter for both ends, and the ones that come stock on the 2019 has a 15 millimeter for both ends. So we're gonna get these taken off right now. Something I've noticed is sometimes these bolts are seized in this little middle part right here, so it doesn't just flop right out like it should. What I've done is grab this crowbar and just use it as a hammer right here, just to tap it and maybe push it down. It worked on the other side, but I'm realizing that it's gonna happen on both sides, so a little tip. Here's a close-up of the difference between the new and old. See right here, they both got the bottom bushings right here, but the top only has one on the old ones, and the new ones has two. So alright, so something I've heard is you want to change both of them at the same time. So we got this left side on right now, but we got everything loose. We don't have anything tightened up right now. That way, in case we need to move the sway bar some, just to make the other side line up a little better, we have some room to play with. Alright, so I got these installed. Torqued them down to 14 foot-pounds. That's what I found online. I don't know if it has to be exactly 14. I think the biggest thing is just make sure that this bushing kind of flares out a little bit, but doesn't go beyond this washer on top. So that's what it should look like, around 14 foot-pounds. All right, so I had a few test drives and the noise went completely away. So the first thing I would do would be to look at your sway bar end links instead of trying to worry about the bushings. That's pretty noticeable. I should have looked at it sooner, but anyways, got it back on and fixed. $26.